बिट्स पिलांनी कॅम्पसात आणि एका चलयेन स्वताक सोपोवन घेतले म्हणून माहिती मुखार येता. फाटल्या वर्साभरात ही 6वी घडणूक. हो विशय विधानसभेतूय गाजलो. परत अशें जावचें ना, इन्स्टिट्यूशनाक आपलो स्वताचो कावन्सिलर घाल म्हणून निर्देश दिल्यात मुख्यमंत्री उलयल्लो.
आम्ही काउन्सिलर अपॉइंट करपाचे केसीस स्कूल इवन दो नाव वी आर अपॉइंटिंग द काउन्सिलर इन कॉलेजीस. द बिट्स पिलानी विच इज नॉट कमिंग अंडर द डायरेक्टली अंडर द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा. इट इज अन ट्रांसिट कॅम्पस ऑफ द बिट्स पिलानी. बट स्टील आफ्टर द लास्ट 5 केसीस वी हॅव गिवन द स्ट्रिक्ट इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स हॅन्सफोर्थ अशा पद्धतीच्यो केसीस जावपाक जायना. तुम्ही बी अशा पद्धतीचे काउन्सिलर्स ते अपॉइंट करा.
मुख्यमंत्र्यान विधानसभेत जाप दिली. मात म्हयनो जावचे पयलीं थंय दुसरी घडणूक घडली. विरोधकांचो सरकाराचेर फार.
आता ही डिपार्टमेंट ही एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हो गव्हर्मेंट इतलो इनसेन्सिटिव्ह कसो. आय हॅव कॅटेगरीली रिटर्न टू द कलेक्टर, टू द होम मिनिस्टर अँड टू द पुलीस टू इन्व्हेस्टिगेट द रिझन. आता सरकारान कलेक्टराक इन्क्वायरी कर म्हणून सांगलेले. वेअर इज दॅट रिपोर्ट रिच्ड? वाय दॅट रिपोर्ट इज स्टील नॉट रिलीज? इज देर एनी सम प्रेशर? हो आता 6th death is a foul play. I am sure this kid also has died because of overdose. आता drugs थिंगा openly मेवता. 6 people have died. फाल्यां तुजो चोडू आसपाक शकता, नाल्यार आनी कोणाचो चोलो चोडू आसपाक शकता. You have to act now.
Then somewhere the institute is completely responsible. The administration is completely responsible for this. And we demand that there should be a 10-member committee to get into a deeper investigation, because this cannot just stand here for now. I think the governor also has to intervene, the collector has to intervene, because this matter is serious.
अपक्ष आमदार रेजिनाल्ड म्हणटा जबाबदारी थारोवंक जाय.
Now you can't pass the buck. You have to fix responsibility. So I'll call upon Chief Minister. I'm going to send an email to him to fix responsibility on this. We cannot tolerate disturb on students. So forthwith action is required, and forthwith we have to see that such type of incidents do not repeat.
दक्षिण गोंय जिल्लोधिकारी म्हणटा चौकशी सुरू.
Investigation is started. The inquiry is also going on. The preliminary investigation suggests that it is a case of a suicide. The government has constituted a district level committee in compliance to the directions of Honorable Supreme Court to see the implementation of various measures which have to be adopted by higher education institution to ensure the mental health condition of the students are protected. So this DLMC has inspected the campus couple of times. We have examined what is happening there, the entire academic ecosystem, and we have given suggestion to the institution for ensuring that the mental health concerns of the students are being protected.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.